Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to briefly describe what Power BI Desktop is and also specify some of the common uses of Power BI Desktop. What is Power BI Desktop? Power BI Desktop is a free Windows application that you can download and install on a Windows-based computer. So it is designed to be installed on Windows-based computers only. It's not available to be installed on Macs. With the Power BI Desktop, you can connect to multiple data sources and also combine the data from those sources. So when you combine data from multiple sources, it is also referred to as modeling. So you can combine those data into a data model, and that allows you to then build visuals that you can share with others. Power BI Desktop also allows you to create reports. So let's take a look at some of the most common uses of the Power BI Desktop. It is mainly used to connect to data. It can be used to transform and clean that data that it collects. It's also used to create data models. You can create visuals such as charts and graphs that basically provide visual representation of the data. You can also use Power BI Desktop to create reports that are collections of the visuals on one or more report pages. Power BI Desktop can also be used to share reports with others by using the Power BI service, which is a software as a service utility that can be used to share your reports on different devices. Power BI Desktop tool is used a lot by data analysts and also by business intelligence professionals. However, many people who don't consider themselves as analysts or a report creator can also use Power BI Desktop just to create compelling reports or just to pull data from various sources and then build data models from them. The data models built can then be shared with co-workers and various members of the organization. With Power BI Desktop, you can create complex and visually rich reports by using data collected from multiple sources, all in one report that you can share with others in your organization. So that's it for this video on Introduction to Power BI Desktop. Thanks for watching and bye for now.